Okay, jadi sebenarnya kita akan buat color, tapi sebelum kita buat color ni kita tengok please do the every screen. Okay, suppose the right screen is like this. We have a list page, top bar, we have frame top bar. Inside the frame bar we have a text detail, text, then we have a icon menu with a vector stroke, right, like this. It's okay, but we see that our home page, because we copy paste just now, we didn't realize we didn't select the top frame top bar, because this title and the icon must be inside the top bar, so the frame top bar. So it's wrong with our home page. Detail page also very good. So what we can do, we can just delete the screen home, click here. You choose the best one. This is the best one. You can do it again. So you click on the home because we want to delete this home. Click and then press delete. Yeah. So, and the next one you want to delete is the detail page. So we have a we have a uh, okay, we must make sure that our uh, frame is inside the. We select the top bar frame. We put inside the. We have details. We have our icon. So you can rename is as icon menu. You can rename it as a menu button. Okay, so this page is okay. So you can, kalau kita boleh buat satu, kita akan copy lah. Jadi apa? Kita kita buat satu dulu untuk ni. Kita buat satu untuk color ni dulu Okay. Okay, jadi kita akan gunakan rectangle. So click on the rectangle and then start from the top left corner and then drag. Next. So you can change the color here. It's fine. Example, I want to use a blue, a light blue. So our rectangle is at the front, so we want to make it back. So right click on the rectangle, you want to send to back. So you can after that. So we have already create this one. So one more thing that you want to create is you want to create. You can adjust this details to center. Okay, center the details text. Okay, then you want to create a button, back button. You can use again inside the top bar. You can find the top bar. You can see when we on the top bar layer are selected. Okay, and then right click, and then you use plugins, and then choose a feeder icon. Okay, so you have to wait a while. So we want to use this arrow, and then click here, and then you can put the arrow inside the frame. You can adjust the size, and then the stroke. You can adjust the stroke, you can adjust the size. Okay, so again same with the button menu, so you have to convert it to online. Right click, online stroke. As you can see that the arrow left have a stroke. So we have already create the better screen top bar, so you can select the this page, then you can copy, Control C, click here first, then Control C, and then Control V. So we have a two detail page. So we change this one. Okay, this one you want to, okay, this we will change to home. Okay, click this page. Okay, the title also we change the details change to home page. So for home page we didn't want to have a tag arrow. I click the arrow, then press delete. What is our uh, why our home page didn't change the, okay, text. Okay, double click this detail and change the text. Again you can adjust the line element, make it center. Okay, you have create already the uh, home page detail page, and you want to create another page. Okay, so we will use this copy from the list page. uh, so not the list page, it's a detail page. Okay, so change the name detail page. So we we click on the frame detail page. Okay, then we copy, Control C, then we paste, Control E. Okay, we have a one. So this one, which one? Uh, okay, we will change. Okay, this is a detail page. This one I want to change to uh, list page. Page. Okay, and then the text. click on the text details here, here, and double click the text, change to this, and click outside, and you can adjust the alignment, make it center. So now we have a home page, we have a list page, and we have a detail page. So in the next video, we'll create a menu, and we can analyze the our frame is okay or not. Okay, you analyze your frame, detail page, and the detail page have a frame top bar, and then under bar you have a frame arrow, and then you have a vector stroke arrow, and we have a text detail, and then we have a uh, menu button frame, we have a vector, and we have a rectangle the color just now, and also with the list page same, and we have a same with the detail page and home page. So next we will create the menu button in the next video.